my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, we're going to be doing Battle of the Boxes. So I'll be unboxing my Boxycharm box as well as my IPSY bag, and then we're going to compare, contrast, and see which subscription did better for the month of February. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for this month, I didn't try as much stuff as I usually do, because I think half the stuff that I have or received is gonna go to the giveaway, because you guys are gonna see. So we're going to unbox the Boxycharm box first. This is the Boxycharm base box. So this is the one that costs $25 a month, and this is the only one that I have. I used to have the other ones, but then, you know, I got upset and I just canceled it because it was just not tickling my fancy. Or what is that called? That's not what's tickling. It just didn't spark my interest anymore, okay? Anyways, so for this month's Boxycharm box, the box's theme is XOXO, very fitting for the month of February because, you know, it's Valentine's Day month. But yeah, so I got 2 cards. Weird, but yeah, I got 2 cards and they say the exact same thing. Anyways, so the first thing in the box is these, and this is the TULA Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is one of the things that I didn't use, but let's see the claims. Okay, so this says, got pores? Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. And this retails for $32, which is awesome because I like TULA skincare, and this sounds like something I'm gonna really enjoy. So I can't wait to play around with that. Alright, and the next thing in the box is this, and this is the Brow Bar by Rima. This is something I did use, and I like it, but I don't really use powders for my brows, so I don't see myself using this that often. But I like how it does bring a little how do you call this, a little pencil, tweezers, and a little spoolie with a little brush, so that way you can use the powders with it. And yeah, I digged my freaking hand in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I digged my hand in there by accident. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't really see myself using this because I don't really use powders for my brows, but I'm definitely gonna give this to either my sister or my cousin, whoever, you know, does their eyebrows with powders. I forgot to mention that this retails for $40. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this, and this is the TRÈSTIQUE Eye Duo, which is the Good Vibes mascara and the eye pencil, and I didn't use this. I think I used the mascara before, but I didn't like it, and I think it was my fault because I let it dry. But it's okay. I have a lot of mascaras and I don't need another one. So I'm just gonna put this in a giveaway. Oh, but I forgot to say the claims and how much it retails for. So this TRÈSTIQUE Eye Duo retails for $44. That's expensive, but okay. Yeah, it's just a mascara and an eye pencil. That's it. Alright, so the next thing in the box is this, and this is the GLAMIERRE Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, and this has 4 brushes. I didn't open it because I know that I don't need more brushes. I don't need more brushes. I already have brushes, and I also want to put this in a giveaway. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And this retails for $29.95. That's expensive for 4 brushes. I mean, I haven't used them, so I don't know, but I don't know. And the last thing in the box is this, and this is the St. Luxe limited edition liner duo. I also did not open this or use this because I do have a lot of lip liners, so I'm gonna put this in a giveaway as well. But let's see, it says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly guides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips, blah, blah, blah. You guys already know that. And this retails for $40. $40? That's expensive too. Sheesh. Dang. Alright, so I'm going to add up the total of this month's box, and I'll let you guys know. So the total of this month's Boxycharm is $185.95. Let's move on to my IPSY bag. Now, let me tell you guys something. Alright? So you guys know that IPSY allows you to choose 3 of the 5 products that you guys are gonna receive for the month. So I saw that foundation was part of those choices. So greedy old me was like, oh my gosh, I want 2 foundations. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 foundations. So I chose the foundations. However, I didn't look at the shades that they had because I thought, okay, I'm gonna pick foundations, they're gonna choose the shade that best, you know, matches me. No, that's not what happened. So I got 2 foundations, but they were not my shade. I do have one of them on right now, and I would like to say that I made it work. So yeah. But anyways, the 2 foundations were the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation and the ABH Luminous foundation. So I have the ABH foundation on me right now, but as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell right now, but it's a little dark, just a little dark, you know. I feel like this is probably gonna be a good shade for me when I am tan, you know. So I'm gonna keep that one. However, this Makeup Forever one, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Yeah, this is not my shade at all, and I didn't even open it because I'm going to give this to my sister. I feel like this is her shade, and if not, then I'm just gonna give it to somebody who you know, I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah, this was already my choices. These were my choices for IPSY, and you know what, I'm not mad about it. Like, I'm a little annoyed with myself for not paying attention about the shades that they had, but you know, it's okay. I'm not mad. At least they had foundations, you know. And I'm really happy that I got to try the ABH one because I've been wanting to, so it's okay. I also chose one more thing, which is this, right? And this is scrunchies. Like, scrunchies. I don't know how much this brings. I think it brings 4. Oh no, 5. It brings 5 scrunchies. And this color is too freaking cute. So yeah, I chose the 2 foundations and this pack of scrunchies. And they're satin. They're satin scrunchies. So I was like, oop, I choose this. I choose you. And the satin scrunchies retail for, let me tell you right now, $8. Wait, no, I lied. I didn't choose this. I bought this. I bought this for $3, I believe. Yeah, I bought this for $3. I didn't choose that. That was the add-on. My bad, guys. My bad. See, this is why I need like an insert card thing, you know? Is that? But anyways. Alright, so the next thing in the bag is this. And this is the Be Beautiful BU F.A.R.A.H brushes. So this is a highlighting and contour brush, and it retails for $30. And I still have these in the little packaging because I'm not sure if I want to, you know, put this in a giveaway or use it later in the long run. I'm not sure, so I just left it there. Okay, and the next thing in the bag is this. And this is the MAELLE Sunkissed blush, and I didn't use this as well because I don't like shimmery blushes, and I know that I might not like this, so I don't even want to open it, but I want to open it to show you guys. But this is hard. This is hard. All right, so I'll just put a picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like, because I don't want to open it because I do want to put this in a giveaway, you know. So the last thing in my bag was this replenishing night cream, but of course my camera, you know, glitched and I didn't get that footage, but yeah, that was the last thing in my bag. And this retails for $74. $74. That's expensive. That's a lot. But yeah, that's all that I got from, that's all I got in my IPSY bag. By the way, this is how the IPSY bag looks. So freaking cute, so on theme with Valentine's Day. But yeah, guys, let me add up everything from my IPSY bag and then we'll discuss which box was better. Okay. Okay, so the total value of my IPSY bag this month is $214, which I can see why. I got 2 foundations. And also this cream, $74 all by itself, so that's a lot. And then these 2 things, so I get it. I get why it was that much. But now for my final verdict. Which box do I think did better this month? And I'm just gonna say I feel like I liked my IPSY bag just because I got a foundation. Just because I got a foundation and I again got to choose, you know, 3 out of the 5 things that I got. But yeah, I'm gonna say I like my IPSY bag a little bit more this month. But which one do you guys think won in your opinion? But yeah, guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so that way you guys are notified every time I upload. And comment down below what you guys want to see from me, what videos you want to see, and again, you might be featured on my channel. Anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.